In this video, I'll guide you through how to create repeating invoices in Xero. If you bill the same customers for the same amounts on a regular basis, setting up repeating invoices can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. We'll go step by step so you can follow along in your own Xero account. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Log into your account as you normally would. You'll need to be in the organization where you want to set up these repeating invoices. Once you're logged in and you can see your Xero dashboard, you're ready to start. From the main menu, look for the option labeled Business or Accounting, depending on your layout, and then click on Sales. This is where you manage all of your customer invoices and sales transactions. Taking a moment to get familiar with this area is useful because you'll probably come back here often. After you've opened the sales section, find and click on Invoices. This will take you to a list of all your existing invoices. You'll see things like invoice numbers, customer names, dates, and amounts. This page is the central place where you can review what's been sent, what's been paid, and what's still outstanding. Near the top of this invoices page, look for the button to create a new invoice. It will usually say something like New Invoice and have a small arrow next to it indicating a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down arrow. Instead of creating a one-off invoice, we want to set up one that repeats automatically. In the drop-down menu, choose the option that says New Repeating Invoice. Selecting this tells Xero that you're creating a template that will generate invoices on a schedule you define rather than just once. This is perfect for things like monthly subscriptions, retainers, or any kind of regular service. Now you'll see a form where you enter your repeating invoice details. This is the most important part, so take your time here. Start by setting how often the invoice should repeat. For example, you might choose every month, every week, or every year, and then pick a start date. Think about when you want the first invoice to be created and whether it should go out before, on, or after the date the service is provided. Next, choose the contact or customer who will receive these invoices. You can select an existing contact from your list or create a new one if needed. Then fill in the reference or description fields so it's clear what the customer is being billed for. Add the items or services, including quantities, prices, and tax settings, just as you would with a normal invoice. You can also decide whether the invoices should be saved as drafts, approved automatically, or approved and emailed to the customer. If you're setting this up for the first time, you might prefer to have them saved as drafts so you can review them before they go out. Once you're confident everything is working as expected, you can switch to automatic approval and emailing to fully automate the process. When you've entered all of the repeating invoice details and double-checked the amounts, dates, and customer information, scroll down and click Save. Xero will now use this repeating invoice template to create new invoices on the schedule you specified, helping you stay on top of your regular billing with much less manual work.